I have the Coquimbo sewing kit right here, you guys. This is the large size. There is also a small size. I went with the large because it does have a couple more colors than the other one has, and just more things overall. And it's not that much more expensive than the small size. So I went ahead and I ordered the large. As you guys can see, it comes with a lot of stuff. The main thing is it comes with all the traditional colors, I'm gonna say, and then it comes with mostly two each. It comes with a lot of whites, so that's why I went with this one. And then if we come over here, you guys do see a color wheel of all these pins right here. We do have more needles. We have a magnifying glass right here. I'm not gonna pretend to know what that is, but it looks like for like a knitting. We do have the scissors over here. We have a thimble. It does come with a couple buttons. It comes with a measuring tape and then some more buttons right here, you guys. There you guys have it. It's nice and closed. It just zips up like that. This is perfect for traveling. I got this because I just wanted to do a couple like patch jobs and also like put buttons on a couple of shirts that are missing that I have. And I definitely recommend this.